This video shows you how to program the Genie compact remote control. First, remove the cover to your garage door operator by unscrewing 2 screws in each corner. Carefully take the cover off after you have unscrewed the screws. Next, you will locate the black Learn Code button and press it and release it. While the red indicator light is blinking, press the center button on the remote control. Then, while the light is solidly lit, press the button again. You have now successfully programmed the remote control.